Hey guys, welcome to Arctic Lighting. Today I'm going to show you Honda FD tail lights for 3 different colors. First one is this smoke lens with red bar, and the next one is this smoke lens with white bar, and the last one is the most special edition, clear lens, chrome base and white bar. I'm really excited about this color because I always want something unique, and it seems I'm really happy with this color. This is the first sample and just assembled from my workshop a few minutes ago. I will do pre-sale for this color first and will not make huge stock. I want to see if you guys also like it. Now I will light them up and see how the tail lights look like. And later I will show you all the functions on the car. Now we already have the tail lights on the car. I installed 2 different colors in both sides. In this way you can compare which one is better. Okay, now let me show you the functions. First I'll show you the parking light. It is very classic C shape with start-up animation. Then we will go to the brake light. You see a brighter C shape and the inner brake light. Then we will come to the amber sequential turn signal. This is very long and super bright turn signal, so the driver behind you can easily see it. Okay, last step, let me show you the reverse light. This is the super bright reverse light. There are 2 plugs in the tail light to control the start-up animation and the sequential turn signal. Okay, come here. We will see this plug with blue wire is used to control the sequential turn signal. This plug with purple wire is used to control the start-up animation. Okay, if you don't want the sequential turn signal, just disconnect this plug. Let me show you. It will become the normal blinking turn signal. If you don't want this start-up animation, you can disconnect this plug with the purple wire. Let me show you. If you disconnect, you will lose the start-up animation. If you have more questions about these tail lights, please feel free to contact us. Bye-bye.